If I was going to be able to address the people of Wales in this, I would ask them to consider if this is actually a corporate takeover of Welsh land for the benefit of a few, and what the impact of that will actually be for future generations. All I really want from the activity that we're doing around this is for people to ask those questions. Is this right? Do I need to look in the shadows a bit to work out whether this is a proper exercise that's going to benefit the people of Wales, people of the UK, people of the world, or is this a wolf in lamb's clothing? Is this greenwashing? Are we at risk of losing a lot with this beyond the landscape, beyond the ecology, beyond the sense of place? Are we at risk of losing something of ourselves as a nation?